In this video we learn AutoCAD commands and setting. 1. O. Command for offset of lines. 2. M. Command for move all objects. 3. RO. Command for rotate all objects. Offset. Creates concentric circles, parallel lines, and parallel curves. You can offset an object at a specified distance or through a point. After you offset objects, you can trim and extend them as an efficient method to create drawings containing many parallel lines and curves. The offset command repeats for convenience. To exit the command, press Enter. Creates an object at a specified distance from an existing object. Select Object to offset or exit/undo. Select one object, enter an option, or press Enter to end the command. Specify point on side to offset or exit/multiple/undo. Specify a point, 1. Dot on the side of the object you want to offset or enter an option. Exit. Exits the offset command. Multiple. Enters the multiple offset mode, which repeats the offset operation using the current offset distance. Undo. Reverses the previous offset. You can move objects at a specified distance and direction from the originals. Use coordinates, grid snap, object snaps, and other tools to move objects with precision. Specify distance with 2 points. Move an object using the distance and direction specified by a base point followed by a second point. In this example, you move the block representing a window. Click Modify Move. Enter Move at the command prompt. Then select the object to be moved. 1. Specify the base point for the move. 2. Followed by a second point. 3. The object is moved the distance and direction of point 2 to point 3. Specify distance with relative coordinates. You can move an object using a relative distance by entering coordinate values for the first point and pressing Enter for the second point. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Rotate objects. You can rotate objects in your drawing around a specified base point. To determine the angle of rotation, you can enter an angle value, drag using the cursor, or specify a reference angle to align to an absolute angle. Rotate an object by a specified angle. Enter a rotation angle value from 0 to 360 degrees. You can also enter values in radians, grads, or surveyor bearings. Entering a positive angle value rotates the objects counterclockwise or clockwise, depending on the direction control setting in the drawing units dialog box. Rotate an object by dragging. Drag the object around a base point and specify a second point. Use ortho mode, polar tracking, or object snaps for greater precision. For example, you can rotate the plan view of a house by selecting the objects, 1, specifying a base point, 2, and specifying an angle of rotation by dragging to another point. Thanks for watching.